Welcome friends, this is Stacy from the Farmhouse in the Field. Today we're going to take an old recycled window I found under my house and make it into a beautiful piece of work that I want to keep inside my house. So, hope you enjoy this. We're going to begin by sanding down our window, and if your window is of unknown time origin, I suggest wearing a mask as I did here. It's probably full of lead paint and it's not worth taking the chance to breathe that in. Alright, so what we've done here is we've washed this, after sanding this, we've washed this with TSP on both sides, and then I just sprayed this with a spray matte varnish that I had, because I still want, people pay a lot of money to have actual distressed products, and here this is a real in-your-face distressed product that was found under my house. I love this color, if I haven't mentioned it yet. This color, if you were born at a certain point in history, which a lot of us were, your mother probably had this color or similar in her kitchen. One of the things we're going to do is I saw these lovely little hooks already on here. So we are going to take that as a serving suggestion, and I think we are going to put our decals this way so that we can hang it from those two little hooks, because we've already got them, so why not do it? So that is where we are. As soon as this dries, I'm going to flip this over and spray the other side, hopefully, because if you can see here, the skies, I don't know if this is translating very well. Well, there we go. Just as soon as I went to spray this, the skies turned on me, and I'm kind of concerned that we might get rain. So we will see about doing that, and hopefully this will dry before it rains and I can bring it in. Clean your window well using newspaper to avoid any lint and give a brilliant shine. I'm using ReDesign and IOD transfers. Honestly, I bought these IOD transfers for the lavender wreath that's in there. Ellen J. Goods shows a wonderful video on that. I wasn't real wild about the sunflower, which is what we're going to use today. But once I saw this window, I knew it was perfect for this window. And I'm so pleased that I used this and that I bought these. Cut out the designs that you're going to use with your scissors, making sure that you get the white paper beneath it. One of the things I learned is I did this outside on a very hot and humid day, and with these transfer designs, as soon as you take that paper off and put that on the window, you are committed, because the heat and the humidity instantly bonds it. So be very careful and make sure you have that white paper underneath it until you are absolutely 100% certain that's where you want the item to be placed. All we're going to do now is take our little brandishing tool and we're going to rub all over that transfer, making sure to get the ends really well. Lift your transfer up gently in case there's anything that did not release. If there is, just simply put the transfer back down, and as you see me doing here, brandish it again. Here's where you can see that transfer really releasing. You'll notice all of a sudden that the color changes and it is not as vibrant on the plastic as it was before. That's how you know it's transferred. I'm designing on the fly here, so one of the things I did appreciate and that I discovered is that you can actually put transfers over other transfers. So in this case, I had planned on putting the leaf on there, but then I thought I'd rather have additionally the sunflower lower on the same stalk. So the leaf is behind everything, and I was very pleased that the transfer itself transferred right on top of that leaf without any difficulty. Now here's the magic of these transfers. I didn't have anything small enough that I wanted in this corner that wouldn't go off the window. But I ended up putting this sunflower on there that did go off the window onto the wood. And I absolutely love the effect. It's so nifty. It's so nice. It makes it almost 3D that it's going out of the frame that you've put it in. And that's one of the nice things about these transfers is they can go on glass, they can go on wood, so you can transfer right off onto the window frame. I hope you enjoyed the sunflower window. Please share, like, and subscribe. It really helps to grow the channel.